Hello, welcome back to Sellzo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import products and photos into your store, into your Sellzo store. So I'm going to go to Manage Store and we're going to go down to Media. First thing I'm going to show you is how to import photos into your store. Manage product images, and here's my library of images on my store backend. So I can edit, I can delete any image I want, or I can delete all, but I'm not going to. So let's delete these images and delete. And let's add new images. When you add images, select File, and it'll go to your desktop, and you choose where you want to add images from. So Games, and select which images you want to import. You can select them all if you want. Open, and back to product images, and those images are now, as you can see, on the back end, so you can use them anytime you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in and import one product at a time into the system. So I'm going to go to Products, Manage Products. Here's a list of the products that I so far have on the store. So I'm going to add new product, and my product is going to be PlayStation, so PS4. We'll give it a name, PlayStation 4 console, and category, we'll give it a category of video games and consoles. Condition new, retail price $4.80. Now if you didn't have, just going to try and reduce the screen. There we go. You've got add new brand or remove brand. Let's say you didn't have it in your brand. There it is, it's in brand. But let's say you didn't have it in the brand. So you can add new brand. You can say Sony. Okay, and save. So it's now, Sony is in your drop down list. So the brand is Sony, or you can choose the brand as PlayStation if you like. And the condition is new, price, quantity. So I've got 10 in stock. As you sell them, your quantity will reduce. Then we're going to go product subtitle, and we'll call it PS4 console. Category, let's say we'll put it in the category of ABG games, and the model is PS4. Now you can include it in the offer, so we'll talk about this later on. If you include it in the offer, it's a discounted price, so you'll have a retail price and a selling price that you wish to sell, and it appears on the Sellzo front page. It'll cost you money to do that, small fee, and it may be worthwhile looking at. For the exercise purpose, we're not going to do that just yet. Duration is, you got 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, all the way to never expire. Let's say we're going to list it for 30 days, which means it'll be listed for the next 30 days. So you can start now or schedule start time. So we'll start now, press next. Now product description, so we're going to call it a brand new PS4 console. And features, let's say available in 3 colors, new in the box, and PS4 console. The more stuff you write, the better Google will be able to read your listings. You go down to bundled items, what's included, 2 controllers, 2 free games or cables and memory card. So that's the bundled item, and we go to next. Next is your shipping. So what sort of shipping are you going to use? Is it free shipping? If it's yes, then yes. No, and it's not free shipping. Handling time, say 4 business days. You'll type in the product weight, dimensions and all that, and you choose your shipping service, and based on that your buyer will be able to view the cost of shipping once they click on it. Let's say it is free shipping just for the exercise purpose, and we've got free shipping. Return policy, you can copy and paste your return policy into here. We highly recommend it. For the exercise purpose, we'll say no return, no refund, or products come with months warranty. So next we go to upload photos. So I'm going to upload photos. We're in the media section up here, so we're going to upload photos. Now on this page you can upload photos, you can upload a document, and you can add a video link of your product which can be viewed on the system. We're just going to upload some photos. So it automatically takes me to the library of my store on Sellzo. So I've got some PS4 photos. You can use these, or you can upload new images. Select file, and automatically takes you to your desktop. So that's my desktop. Let me look for some more images, and let's say I'm going to choose this one here, this one here, and this one here. Open and back, and here they are now. So they're in the library. So I'm going to go ahead and choose which ones I want, and let's choose one existing one that was in the library. I saw it down here before. Here we go. We're going to choose this one here, and select. So these are all the pictures. Now you tick which one you want to be your default image. So let's say this is the default image, and the next thing is you need to complete alt and title. Now alt is a description of the product, title is the title that appears on the picture when you put your cursor on it. And these things are very, very important because it helps Google search find your products on the web. So for alt, I'm just going to put PS4, and you can go ahead and do the same for all of them. We recommend that you use different so PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 console, PS4 console, Sony PlayStation, and title. That's the title that appears on the picture when you put your cursor on it, and it helps Google find your products on there. So I'm going to go ahead and write a slightly different title. I'm just going to put PS4. I'm going to say James Toys.sellzo.com. There's nothing stopping from using the same thing as a product title. What's basically the title of the product? So it's PS4 console, PS4 console, whatever's relevant to your search, and PlayStation console, PS4. So all that is done. We've got the default image, and we'll go to next. Scroll down, click on next, and we're on the last page, which is the meta details. Now these are the details that Google also reads. Now I've got meta title, meta keywords, and meta description. The meta title is basically the title of your product. So the title of the product. Now the system's automatically picked up jamesstores.sellzo.com PlayStation 4 console, and it's picked them up for the lot of them. But I'd like to change that. So I'm going to call this PlayStation 4 console. I'm gonna now meta keywords is a list of keywords that you think your buyer may use when they're searching for these items on the web. So I'll put a comma, I'll just put PlayStation 4, comma, PS4, comma, PS4, comma, Sony PlayStation. And you can type in as many words as you wish. And now the Sellzo marketing team will be working on these for you in the back end, but it's highly recommended that you type in as many keywords as you can in the meta keywords so Google can find your products on there. And meta description is just a brief description of your product. So let's call it a brand new Sony PlayStation 4 console. Call it PS4. And we're ready to go. Now you save it, and your product is now listed, and you're back in your store back end in the product list, and you can see it down here. Now it's gone live, so it's active. You may want to deactivate it for the time being, so you just tick there and deactivate, and as you can see it's inactive. Okay, you may want to go back and edit something, so you go back to there and you can edit whatever you want. The name, the title, you just go through the steps. Product details, payment and shipment, you may want to change it from free shipping to paid shipping. Media, you may want to change one of the photos, delete one of the photos, add more photos, you can. You may want to change your meta details. You may want to copy and paste a link of a video that you've recorded, or a link of video that you've seen on YouTube or wherever, and link it so your customers can see it. You may want to upload a document, and let's go back, leave it alone, and it's inactive. As you can see here, it's inactive. We're going to click active and make it active. It's live. We're going to go to the front of Sellzo, and look, there it is. You click on product there, it's opened up, and that's what I mean by there's your title. There it is. There it is. PS4 console, PlayStation console, PS4, and this helps Google find your items on the web. We'll go back to the store, back to my store, back to manage store, back to products, manage products, and here they are. Now remember, very important step, always share your products on Facebook. You click here and you share, or you can go up here, you can tick whatever products you want, one, two, and share on Facebook, or select all products. You share them on Facebook with your list of friends, with your list of contacts, and it's very important that you do all that, and it helps promote your products. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for some more videos.